Good day, everyone. I hope that you're doing okay. Time to practice together, me and you. Well, all right. This is Workbook Part 9A. In the jungle in Guatemala. Vocabulary, hotels. Complete the crossword. Everybody, this is a crossword. Clues down and clues across. For example, number 1, what is it? It's a suitcase. S-U-I-T-C-A-S-E. All right. Stop the video. Do it. Check it with your partner. Play the video. All right. Let's do it together. Number 2, towel. Number 3, bathroom. Number 4, pillow. Number 5, bathtub. Number 7, shower. Number 5, bed. Next one, lamp, table, remote control, toilet. Well done. You did great. In the next part, complete the sentences from these words: elevator, gift shop, parking lot, gym, reception, restaurant, swimming pool, yard. In the next part, write negative sentences. For example, there's a gym in the hotel. What is the negative? Negative. There isn't a spa in the hotel. Well done. And in the next part, look at this picture. Complete the sentences with there is or there are. For example, there is a bed. There are some pillows. Again, stop the video. Do it and check it with your partner. Play the video. Okay, let's do it together. Number 2, you can swim in the swimming pool. Number 3, you can have dinner in the restaurant. Number 4, you can buy a present in the gift shop. Number 5, you can sit outside in the yard. You can exercise in the gym. You can park your car in the parking lot. You can pay at the reception. Well done. Okay, now let's go to the grammar. There is and there are. Lamp. There is a lamp. Table. There is a table. Towels. There are some towels. Chair. There is a chair. 7, suitcase. There is a suitcase. And number 8, books. There are some books. Well done. And in writing the negative, there are some lamps, but chairs, there aren't any chairs. There's a restaurant in the hotel, gift shop, but there isn't a gift shop in the hotel. There's a swimming pool, hot tub, but there isn't a hot tub. There are some pens in the room, but there aren't any books in the room. Well done. You did great. Write questions and answers. Welcome to Star Hotel. Okay, swimming pool, reception, restrooms, elevators, gym, Italian restaurant, French restaurant. You have to write questions and answers. For example, are there any restaurants? Yes, there are. A spa. Is there a spa? No, there isn't. Right? Okay, let's go. Restrooms. Are there any restrooms? Yes, there are. Swimming pool. Is there a swimming pool? Yes, there is. Gift shops. Your turn. Are there any gift shops? No, there aren't. Elevators. Are there any elevators? Yes, there are. Gym. Is there a gym? Yes, there is. Hot tub. Is there a hot tub? No, there isn't. Well done. You did great. Now, pronunciation. Write the words next to the correct sound. Chair, like there. Ear, like ear, here, right? Do it. Okay, now let's listen and check.
File 9A. Pronunciation. B. There. Airplane. Hair. Upstairs. Where.
here, we're, near, year, here.
Okay, these are the answers. There, airplane, hair, upstairs, where. Now, here, we're, near, year, here. Well done, you did good. Okay, circle 3 or more words with this sound. For example, boyfriend, boy, oi, right? Do it. Okay, now listen and check.
File 9A. Pronunciation D.
Boyfriend. Enjoy. 5. July. Suitcase. Toilet. Towel. Toy.
Okay, let's see. Enjoy, toilet, toy. Yeah, these are the answers. In the next part, we have a listening. First of all, look at this picture. What do you see in the picture? A man and a woman and a receptionist. Where are they? They are in a hotel. In a hotel. Listen to the conversation at the hotel. Check yes or no. For example, number 1. Are there any elevators? No. Right? Okay, let's do it.
File 9A. Listening.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Oceanside Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. Our last name is Green.
Welcome, Mr. and Mrs. Green. You're in room 304. That's on the 3rd floor.
Great. Where are the elevators?
Actually, we're a small hotel. There aren't any elevators.
That's okay. Can we see the ocean from our room?
Yes, there's a beautiful view from your room.
Perfect. Is there a TV in our room?
No, there isn't, but there are some books and magazines in the room, and you can also use the internet. Also, there's a TV in the restaurant.
Okay. Oh, and is there a gym?
There isn't a gym, I'm sorry, but you can swim in the ocean. That's good exercise.
That's true. Oh, and are there any drinks in the room like juice or soda?
No, there aren't, but there's a gift shop on the 1st floor. You can buy drinks there.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, well done. Check with your partner. Check. Okay, let's do it. Is there an ocean view? Yes. Is there a TV in the room? No. Are there any books? Yes. Is there a restaurant? Yes. Is there a gym? No. Are there any drinks in the room? No. Is there a gift shop? Yes. Okay, these are some words that you can use. Modern, take off, land, mattress, present, airplane, upstairs, drink. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. If you have a question, comment them down below. If you have a request for a special chapter, comment it down below and I will get back to you. Wish you all the best and I hope that you learn English very fast. You'll need it.